See this, when the page loads it shows all the product, and when you click on a category it filters and show only the product from that category. So today we will create this category based filter system just like you see on Amazon or Flipkart. Let's build it step by step. On the page load we grab the element we need from the DOM and create a variable to store response we'll get from the API. Then we fetch product data from fetchStore API and store it in that variable. Once we have the data we call two functions, one to display all product and one to create category filter buttons. This function is responsible for displaying product cards on the web page using the data passed to it. This function dynamically creates cards for each product. Now this function will create display filter buttons like electronic clothing etc. At line number 34 we use map method to extract the category from each product. For example, if all product contains 5 items it might be written something like this. So we use new set method to remove duplicates. But set is not an array, so we use the spread operator to convert it back into a normal array. Then we manually add all at the beginning of the array, so the final result becomes this. This list will be used to generate the filter buttons on our page. In simple words, this line creates a list of unique product categories and adds all at the start so the user can reset the filter. Now we loop through this list and create a button for each category. Each category gets a click event listener. When the user clicks this button, it runs the code inside the arrow function. So this is the main filter logic. If all is clicked, then show all product. Else use filter method to return only product with the selected category. Then we call show all product function to render the filter result and add the newly created button to the div that holds all filter buttons on the page. If you want this code then GitHub link is in the description. Now look what we create.